Laptop battery calibration corrects inaccurate battery percentage readings. This happens because the battery management system, or BMS, in your laptop estimates charge, and over time, this estimate can drift from the actual battery capacity. Calibration helps reset these counters for a more accurate reading. In 2025, modern laptops are coming with software updates that automate some aspects, reducing the need for manual intervention. But calibration is still relevant for older devices and inaccurate BMS chips. Calibrating your laptop battery improves the accuracy of the battery percentage displayed on your screen. This prevents unexpected shutdowns when your laptop thinks it has more charge than it actually does. You might see a 10 to 20% improvement in perceived battery life if the readings were off. Calibrate your laptop battery if you notice the battery percentage is consistently inaccurate. For example, if your laptop shuts down at 20% indicated battery life, or if you haven't calibrated in the last few months. Consider calibrating after major OS updates as well. It is recommended to calibrate monthly for aging batteries. The basic calibration process starts with fully discharging your laptop battery down to 0 to 5%. This step clears any accumulated errors in the battery management system. Next, fully charge the battery back up to 100%. This allows the system to recalibrate its internal charge counters for accurate readings. This process resets the system's charge counters, ensuring accurate battery percentage readings. The entire calibration typically takes between 4 to 8 hours to complete. On Windows, start by opening Command Prompt as administrator and running the PowerCFG's battery report command to generate a detailed battery report for diagnostics. Next, drain the battery by using your laptop normally until it automatically shuts down from low power. Once shut down, let the laptop sit for a couple of hours to ensure the battery is fully discharged. Then, plug in the charger and fully charge the battery to 100%. For easier calibration, some manufacturers provide automated tools in their support software, such as Lenovo Vantage or HP Support Assistant. On Linux systems, battery calibration focuses on monitoring rather than specific commands. You can use the UPower command line tool to check battery status and health information. Alternatively, use graphical applications like GNOME Power Statistics to view detailed graphs of your battery's charge history and performance over time. For calibration, drain your battery completely to 0 to 5%, then recharge it fully to 100%. This resets the system's charge counters. While there are no dedicated calibration commands on Linux, regularly monitoring your battery's charge cycles through these tools is essential for maintaining accurate readings. Here are some important tips for battery calibration. First, avoid extreme temperatures while charging or discharging, as they can lead to thermal runaway and damage. Second, always back up your data before calibrating. Forced discharges can sometimes cause data loss, so protect your important files. Third, keep your operating system and drivers updated to ensure the best battery management performance. Looking ahead, future trends include AI-integrated battery management that uses machine learning to minimize drift and improve accuracy. Solid-state batteries offer more stable voltage curves, reducing the need for manual calibration. Operating systems like the upcoming Windows 12 may feature automated calibration cycles during idle times, making maintenance hands-free.